I'm Randy Vance. I'm in New Smyrna Beach, Florida on Everglades' brand new 395cc. Now this boat bridges the gap from their 365cc to their popular new 435, and we think it does it beautifully with all the luxury that you expect from Everglades and the solid ride that their ram cap hull construction brings. Now ram cap foam is pre-molded, built into the boat, and as you can see, it is extra dense, giving this boat a whole new structural integrity that only comes from Everglades. Now Everglades is exclusively powered by Yamaha. This one has three 425s on it. It's also got Yamaha's Helm Master system that includes a joystick to steer by and their set point system that lets you touch a button and hold the boat's position while you fish or wait for a slot at the dock. We've got Garmin instrumentation all the way across the dash, and that includes Garmin's exclusive digital touch switching. That's displayed over here on the port side. You can touch the fishing button, for instance, and that gives you all the access you need to your live wells, your fishing lights, and everything in a nice, organized palette. On the center, we're still using it as a chart plotter and sonar, and on the starboard side, we're reading the engines right out through that display. Now, in addition to digital switching, you've also got membrane switches that give you access to the most used functions on the boat. One of my favorite conveniences at the helm is the inductive phone charger. Now we see that there's a zip wake system on this boat. That uses a pair of interceptors instead of trim tabs to adjust the attitude of the boat. You can set it to auto, it'll maintain your roll and your pitch, or you can use the dial to adjust it to your liking. Now there's a lot going on this boat, not the least of which is ergonomics for the comfort of the captain and crew. I like this 3-wide seating here. They're shock mitigating seats so that no matter how rough the water, you get a smooth ride. There's another great feature. Folding down from the console and from underneath the seats is an upper platform that gives you an added 6 inches of elevation for shorter captains to see over the helm. There's also air conditioning in this boat, both in the helm station and in the cockpit aft. Now aft of the helm station, you've got this mezzanine seating. It's got a fold down step here to make it extra comfortable for smaller passengers. On the transom, you've got dual fold away seats there that give you beam to beam seating. The entire area is shaded by the Make Fast shade, which comes out at the touch of an electric button and stows away just as easily. Now first and foremost, the 395cc is a fishing boat, and this one is rigged up with over 39 rod holders. Look at the gunnels, covered up with them. You've got shotgun holders on the transom, and there are 4 electric reel outlets around the boat. You've got rod holders in the T-top, and you've got a live well on the port side in the transom. At the center is a fish box with a stowaway bait table. You can set that in a rod holder for convenience. Now in the transom fish locker, there's a cold plate on that to keep drinks cold without ice. That's an option. There's also an option for a cold plate in the cooler underneath the mezzanine seating. For added convenience, there's a portside wastebasket in the mezzanine seating, a freshwater shower, and a freshwater sink on the starboard side. Even with the mezzanine seating, you've got ample tackle storage in the cabinets on either side of it. Now, the boarding door makes an easy way to get onto the boat. It's a great place to pull a fish aboard, and there's a removable ladder for diving. I like the fact that you get secure footing for gaffing a fish from the tow rails under the gunnels. Now, the bow area is ideal for hardcore fishing, but flip up this lounge back and it's great for lounging as well. I like the fact that you've got the dual lounge on the front of the console here. There's more cold storage underneath it, or dry storage should you choose to use it that way. Rod holders abound, lockers as well, and you've got access to the windlass, which is easy access, and it's got fresh and raw water cleansing inside to keep your anchor locker clean. We like the convenience of the electric table here. Throughout the boat, we found polished teak trim that's an option, and we really like the looks of it. Now, access to the upper station is easy through the mezzanine seating. Once there's an anti-fatigue mat on the deck, makes it easy to stand all day. But you don't have to, because you've got 2 captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. Now, you've got full control of the ship here through the Garmin display, through the command link gauge, and the Helm Master joystick control. Now, the entire structure can fold down for trailering or for dry storage. Now, if you're going to be fishing for pelagics on the 395cc, make sure you check the box for the upper station on your order form. I'm Randy Vance in New Smyrna Beach, Florida on the Everglades 395cc.